In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with QuickBooks support efficiently within just 5 minutes. We know that dealing with software issues can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, but the good news is that QuickBooks has support available right at your fingertips. So let's dive right into the process to make this as easy and stress-free as possible. First, start by navigating to the QuickBooks website. If you're not already familiar with how to get there, simply open your preferred web browser and type in QuickBooks URL. Once the page has loaded, you'll want to focus on the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the sign in option. Give that a click. Once prompted, enter your email and password to sign into your account. If you happen to have any trouble logging in, make sure your credentials are accurate and double check for any possible typos. Those pesky capitalization errors can get in the way sometimes. It's always a good idea to keep your login details handy for instances like this. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention once again to the top right area of your screen and find the Help section. Clicking on Help will open up a world of options, but we're here for specific work, so stay focused as we move on to the next step. Here, type in "I need to connect to a live person." This will guide the support system to what you need. QuickBooks is built to facilitate your needs efficiently, so typing this will help prompt the system in the right direction. Next, you'll be given the option to contact the support team. Feel free to click on that. Now, you may be asked to elaborate on your issue. In this scenario, the guide suggests simply answering no to the chat to ensure you're directed to live help without unnecessary detours. Remember, we're aiming to make the most of every minute here. Once you respond, click on the option that says "No, I still need help." This reaffirms your intention to get real-time support. It's essential not to skip this as it progresses you closer to speaking with someone who can assist you directly. After this, you'll be prompted once again to contact the support team. At this point, you're just one step away from choosing how you prefer to reach out. A phone call or live chat might be available depending on your location and time of day. And there you have it. You're now ready to connect with QuickBooks support and get the help you need quickly and efficiently. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the additional resources on the QuickBooks website or other videos available on our channel.